Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the factory track bar crossmember. We recommend cutting off one end of the crossmember and using a sawzall to assist in removing the other end. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide the track bar crossmember into place, one side at a time. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld one end of the track bar crossmember onto the frame. Using a tape measure, measure the distance between the track bar crossmember and the spare tire crossmember, making sure the distance between them is the same on both ends. Once you've confirmed your measurements, C-clamp the part into place. Finish tack welding your part onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!